Hi, Caldwell students. My name is Stacy Gatis. Some of you might know me as Tagger's mom, but I'm going to be reading to you a book today called Count on Clifford. Now, Tagger is in second grade, but he said that you guys would really like this book. Count on Clifford. And this book is by Norman Bridwell. Count One Clifford. Hi, my name is Emily Elizabeth. This is my dog Clifford. There is only one Clifford in all the world. On Clifford's birthday, I gave him a party. It says, "Happy birthday, Clifford." 2. We were going to have a lot of balloons. I blew up 2 balloons. Then I got tired. Clifford tried to blow up the rest. Clifford blew a little too hard, so we just had 2 balloons. Count 2 balloons, count 2 girls and 2 boys. So we have 2 girls, 1, 2, and 2 boys, 1, 2. Three. I bought Clifford 3 presents. I wrapped them up. I was going to put bows on them, but Clifford found the ribbons first. What a mess. Count 3 windows. 1, 2, 3. 4. I invited Clifford's dog friends. 4 of them came. I didn't ask any cats. Count 4 of Clifford's dog friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. We played musical chairs. I set up 5 chairs. We ran around and around. When the music stopped, Clifford was the first to sit down. No more musical chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't that funny? Once Clifford sat down, there were no more chairs. 6. Count 6 trees. Can you guys count 6 trees? Do you see all 6 of them there? I'll give you a second to count. Okay. We played hide and seek. Clifford hid behind 6 trees. We found Clifford anyway. 7. Count 7 candles. Then it was time for Clifford's cake. I put 7 candles on the cake. Clifford blew out the candles. We had ice cream instead. Can you guys count the 7 candles? See the candles on there? He blew a little too hard, didn't he? I think he did. 8. Clifford got 8 sacks of dog food. Count 4 red sacks. Count 4 yellow sacks. And if you add all of those together, 4 plus 4 is, I bet you guys know. Can you guys count those? Clifford opened his gifts. Everyone had the same idea. What did Clifford get as his gifts? Can you guys count the dog food together? 4 yellow and 4 red. And what does that make? I bet you guys know. You guys are smart. 9. We had a clown at the party. The clown juggled 9 balls. Clifford wanted to juggle too. Oops. Count 4 red balls and count 5 yellow balls. And how many does that make? If you add the balls together, you have 5 yellow balls and 4 red balls. How many does that make together? Can you guys do that? All right. 10. Then some cats came. They wanted to play games too. We asked them to join us. They did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cats in all. Count 3 gray cats, count 3 white cats, and count 4 striped cats. And what does that make? Can you guys see that? How many does that make all together? How many does that make all together? I bet you guys know. You guys are pretty smart kiddos. Count all the cats. We were having fun. Then I felt a raindrop. Oh no, it was raining. The party would be ruined. Count the children, count the dogs, and don't forget Clifford. What do you guys come up with if you count all of those people together? What do you think? If you add up the dogs and the children and Clifford, what do you get? I bet you guys can get it. Count the boys, count the girls. But Clifford knew what to do. He saved the party. I always knew I could count on Clifford. Happy birthday, Clifford. So total, guys, how many are at the party? How many did Clifford save? And what did Clifford do to save the party even though it was raining? What did he do? Huh? Clifford's pretty smart, isn't he? And we have all of the different Cliffords with all of our numbers that we talked about today. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed Clifford. Count on Clifford. Now think about it. What did the children do to be able to count on Clifford? How could they count on him when it started raining? What did Clifford do to save the day? I hope you guys have a great week reading and having all your guest readers and learning about Dr. Seuss and Read Across America. Have a good day. Thank you guys for letting me join your class.